If I had to say one word for my time at WKU, I would say it's very inspiring. I'm part of the electrical engineering program at WKU. WKU feels more like a family to me. Everyone knows each other on more of a personal basis because they're usually a smaller class size. I've always been interested in electronics and technology. I think I started first working with a soldering iron when I was around 9 years old. I've always known that it's something I like. So I was a CS major in the very beginning. Took a break, came back, and decided, well, I've always been interested in electronics. Maybe I should start there. We have a lot of projects that we do under the NSF, the National Science Foundation. For that, it's all grant-based and public. And right now I'm leading 3 projects, particularly one with the robot that you can see, and then integrating that as well onto a motorized cart system that one of our capstone senior project teams developed. And so the main focus that we have on that grant is with collaborative robotics. So this arm in particular, we've developed several demonstration modules of the arm interacting with people. It can look at your face and draw your face on a piece of paper. It can play chess with you. To date, it has not been beaten by anyone who has come to the lab. The main focus is on furthering research in robot-human collaboration. So there's a lot of aspects in manufacturing that can go into. So the motorized cart, that specifically is meant for hospitals. Being a mentor for other students is a very uplifting experience. Knowing that I can share my experience with other students. Once I graduate from WKU, I would say my dream job would be to have a research experience where I'm given so many different problems to solve and my own way to solve them, and then being able to present that to people, design, create, that sort of thing. For students that were considering coming into the electrical engineering department, I haven't had a single bad experience here. All the faculty are incredibly nice. They care about where you want to go, what you want to do. I would just say do it.